South Yorkshire is home to extraordinary landscapes and wildlife. But more than half of our habitats are in poor condition, and species are disappearing. The local nature recovery strategy was shaped by people across South Yorkshire, from farmers and landowners to conservation experts and local communities. The plan sets out how we can help restore nature, bring wildlife back, and build a greener, more resilient region for everyone. We're already seeing what's possible. Atlantic salmon are breeding in the River Don again, after 200 years. Former industrial land in the Dearne Valley is now a nationally significant wetland. At Uckhill, farmers are testing nature-friendly practices to help recover threatened farmland birds. This is South Yorkshire's plan for nature, built by the people who know it best. Now we need you to help shape what comes next. Have your say by heading to the South Yorkshire Nature Recovery website.